Let's explore how to convert an array of strings into a JSON object. This is a common task in programming, particularly when dealing with data exchange between systems or storing data in a structured format. We'll cover this using JavaScript, but the underlying concepts apply to other languages as well. 1. Understanding the data. We begin with an array of strings. Let's say we have an array like this. Const myStrings equal mean apple, banana, cherry. This is our starting point, a simple list of strings. Our goal is to transform this into a JSON object, which is a structured way of representing data that's easy to read and parse by many systems. 2. Choosing the JSON structure. Before we convert, we need to decide on the structure of our JSON object. There are several ways to do this depending on your needs. Here are a few options. Option 1. A simple array. The simplest approach is to keep the data as an array within the JSON. This would represent our data directly in JSON format. Apple, banana, cherry. Option 2. An array within an object. We might want to wrap our array within a JSON object, giving it a name or property. This provides more context. All fruits. Apple, banana, cherry. This structure makes it clear that the array holds a collection of fruits. Option 3. An object with separate properties. We could go further and create a JSON object where each string becomes a property value. For example, fruit, apple, fruit to, banana, fruit through, cherry. This approach is useful if you need to access each string using a unique identifier. 3. Using JSON, stringify, in JavaScript. JavaScript provides the JSON, stringify pods method to convert a JavaScript object or array into a JSON string. This is the heart of the conversion process. Let's demonstrate with option 2, an array within an object. JavaScript const myStrings, equal, apple, banana, cherry. Const JSON object equal, fruits, myStrings. Const JSON, string equals JSON. String, if I JSON object. Console.log, JSON string. Output. Fruits. Apple, banana, cherry. This code snippet first creates a JSON object, with a property fruits containing our original array. Then JSON stringify converts this object into a JSON string, which is then printed to the console. The result is a valid JSON string representing our array of strings. If we were using option 1, we'd simply call JSON stringify myStrings directly. Option 3 would require a different object construction before using JSON stringify. 4. Using the JSON string. The resulting JSON string can now be used for various purposes, such as sending data to a server, storing it in a database, or using it in another programming language. Remember that the resulting JSON string is a text representation of your data, not a JavaScript array or object anymore. To use it again in JavaScript, you will have to parse the JSON string using JSON parse. In summary, converting an array of strings to JSON involves choosing a suitable JSON structure, then using JSON stringify in JavaScript or a similar function in other languages to create a JSON string representation of your data. Remember to choose the structure that best suits how you intend to use the JSON data later. The process is straightforward and powerful for managing data in many applications.